In this video we are talking about how do I add a temporary profile picture on Facebook. Before get started, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. To upload a temporary profile picture. Step number 1. Click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Step number 2. Click in the bottom right of your profile picture. Step number 3. Select Profile Picture. Step number 4. Click Make Temporary. Step number 5. Select when to switch back to your previous profile picture. Step number 6. Click Save. Your profile picture is always public. Once a profile picture expires, it will still be visible in your profile pictures album. Thank you for watching the video.